Then I think we have to put a limit muna, sir. Kasi medyo gusto nang magtanong
Sige.
yung iba.
Sige,
Makakabalik ka naman, boss.
I'll try to wind up for a
So,
while.
yes.
Marami pa po akong tanong eh. My point here is that nationwide, mambigat eh. Tapos, ang sabi ninyo, maliit na kumpanya kayo. Maliit na agency lang kayo. Tatatlo yung board member nyo. Yung dalawang board member mo, are you aware that they are contractors also? Engineer Takay?
Yes, Your Honor. I am aware. In fact,
So,
GP has
contra-
actually filed a voluntary leave of absence the day after their name appeared on the list of the
So when they were appointed by whoever, President Duterte or President Marcos, because I know for a fact you were appointed by President Duterte originally, di ba?
We'll give you more time, Senator Soto, para yung iba gustong magtanong.
Sige,
Let
okay.
me just re-emphasize, lahat po